So here we've got Volvo V50 2.4 petrol non-turbo. This was presented with 2 lambda sensor fault codes, lack of signal. Been to the garage, had 2 new lambda sensors. It's then had another lambda sensor. It's had countless other bits and bobs done, wiring checked, and it turns up here and I've just managed to find the problem. So considering this has had all new lambda sensors and shit done, the problem was this fuse here runs the lambda sensors and this pump, the vac pump, and what's happened is the vac pump is done and we don't get a fault code for it, but it's burnt out. So every time you started the car it'd pop the fuse and cause the lambda sensors to break. So someone's already badly wired in 2. The owner's already replaced the baton with a genuine one. We're going to now have to replace the vac pump with a genuine one. Replace these fuses that it kept popping. As soon as I replaced that one, it popped these 2. So we've sorted them now for now temporary measure. So I'll go and get some more of them. Then put a new lambda sensor in it. But this has been to Volvo twice and had work done, and then it came out of Volvo and had some more work done. This is just a quick video just highlighting the fact that, look, here we go. So look, this is because someone's wired it in badly. So we had both of them codes before with no explanation, just they wouldn't read. And now we know the back one's genuine from Denso, so we've replaced that. We've got rid of one fault code by doing all the fuse and everything else and unplugging it, and now we are good. So at the moment he's going to put the front lambda sensor in it. He's going to order a new Denso one. We're going to put a new pump on it, a couple of new fuses, and this is done. But this was, yeah, a task that no one else could fix. And we've got live data. We should have live data on all of them. Rear oxygen sensor is working absolutely perfect. I have just reset the fuel trims. The front is on and off. Like I say, I'm fairly certain that it's just a wiring, look. Because if you go and wiggle the wiring connectors, it reads fine. So yeah, that's just a little quick video on that problem. So it's a 20 amp fuse in the engine bay, runs, I think it's 32. It runs both lambda sensors, the vac pump, and it's part of the ECU system. That was popped, the car was still running, and then it came back, like I say. But yeah, it turns out it's the vac pump all along. So yeah, that's fixed for now, and then we'll get some parts ordered.